Listen up, folks. Get ready to dive right into a world where coding feels like second nature. We're talking Python, the cool, versatile language that's revolutionizing how we approach software development for many industries. It's not just tech-savvy individuals we are aiming this guide at, though it's you, the eager IT fresher looking to become the next big thing. Imagine you're in a room full of like-minded peers, all thirsting for knowledge and the confidence to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way. That's the vibe we are going for, and we're about to create it together. Now, Python. It's one of those languages that rolls off the tongue, inviting conversation. It's clear, it's concise, and it's undeniably powerful, often hailed as the lingua franca for so many software-related fields. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. To truly harness the prowess of Python, we need to understand its essence, starting with its simplicity and readability which make it a language of choice. Whether you are designing complex algorithms or creating simple scripts, Python's syntax is like that trusty friend who effortlessly supports you in solving problems and making sense of the programming world. Now, the first hurdle freshers face is often mastering the basics. Python's fundamental constructs lay the groundwork for software development. Variables, data types, and control structures serve as the backbone of your code. By understanding these basics, you arm yourself with the necessary tools to start building something meaningful. Data types in Python range from strings of text to complex hierarchies, while control structures, think loops and conditionals, are like the directors of your code, deciding what stays and what goes. It's like building the blueprint for a house, starting with a strong foundation and working our way up towards grand structures of code. Functions are where Python really struts its stuff. They're the heart-thumping beat driving our programs, packing specific tasks in a neat, reusable package. And here's the kicker, defining and calling them in Python feels as organic as creating a song with lyrics that come together, strung together like notes in a melody. They're modular in thought, encapsulating code that can be reused across different projects. It's like the universal language of functions can take any context from simple calculations to complex machine learning models. Let's not forget about object-oriented programming. Once the objectives of class abstraction, inheritance, and encapsulation become clear, they empower developers to create modular, reusable, and scalable code. Think of Python classes as the building blocks, and objects as fully equipped houses. Each object, an instance of a class, with attributes and methods tailored to its individuality. With inheritance, you inherit the strengths of the parent class, customizing and extending them to build even better code structures. Of course, we live in a networked world, and that's where understanding Python's interaction with the operating system and internet becomes crucial. Python libraries make it effortless to manipulate files, run other programs, and fetch information from the web, all woven into the fabric of your code, as seamless as sipping on your favorite coffee at daybreak. This knowledge of systems programming is the thread that stitches together the individual pieces of your application, enabling it to interface smoothly with the external world. Through it all, remember that Python isn't just about writing code, but writing clean, understandable code. It's a shared resource, with an enthusiastic supportive community ready to lend a hand or shed light on challenges. Embracing a code style and maintaining readability isn't just about looking good on the inside, it allows others and even future you to understand what you've crafted without a second guess. The next leap would entail diving into exception handling mechanisms that keep your programs from crumbling under unexpected circumstances and grasping the concept of concurrency to handle multiple computations simultaneously. Both are like safety nets and stage managers when it comes to maintaining a show-stopping performance in your code. We are now stepping into the realm of interactive programming with IDLE or PyCharm or any other integrated development environment you prefer, where you can experiment, debug, and get immediate feedback on your work. It's like having a virtual mentor right at your fingertips, ready to guide you through the maze of syntax and semantics, transforming errors into learning experiences. So, what does all this mean for you, the IT freshers of today? It means understanding Python's role in the grand scheme of software development, its potential for crafting diverse, enterprise-level solutions, and the joy of learning and mastering something that can be both simple and astonishingly powerful. It's a journey of continuous learning, and every line of code becomes a stepping stone towards excellence. Remember, we are all on this learning curve together. No question is too small, and every challenge is a stepping stone to greatness. Embrace Python with an open heart and an analytical mindset. Its warm, inviting syntax is but an invitation. Heed it and unlock the vast doors of technological brilliance. And if you wish to join our growing community of Python aficionados and seasoned pros, swing by neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Together, let's craft, debug, and create the code revolution we all can be proud of. Keep coding, stay curious, and enjoy the Pythonic adventure.